Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add YouTube stream key to OBS Studio. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we need to go ahead over to YouTube Studio. Just log in with your YouTube Studio account and then just click on Create right here at the very top. Now go ahead and click on Live. Alright, or Go Live. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and choose a streaming software, of course. Select the monetization. Save. And then once that's done, go ahead and click on the copy button. It says here successfully copied to clipboard. Now what you'll do next is just basically open up your OBS Studio. And then go ahead over to File right here, Settings, or just click on Settings right here. Now, once that's done, go ahead and go to Stream. Click on Services. Find YouTube RTMPS. You could either connect your account for easy streaming or use a stream key. Right click and paste your stream key right here, or the copied stream key. Click on Apply. Once that's done, click on OK. All you got to do next is just log in with your YouTube account right here. And once done, start streaming. And then after that, go back to your YouTube Studio and you'll be able to see it right here. All right. And that is how you add your stream key on OBS Studio. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.